Step 8. Building systematic trading. The real power of indicator triggers isn't automation, it's consistency. Every trade follows exactly the same predefined logic. No second guessing, no emotional entries. I think it looks good. Only objective rules, and because every condition is documented inside Qbar Trade, you can later analyze exactly which signals produce the best results and continuously improve your strategy. For many traders, this is the first step toward transforming discretionary trading into a repeatable professional process. Continuing our trade plan. Now that we've understood the different trigger types available in Qbar Trade, let's put everything together by creating a real trading plan. For this walkthrough, we'll use a simple Nifty breakout strategy. Imagine that after analyzing the charts, we've identified that Nifty 30 June futures has been consolidating near an important resistance level around 25,250. Our view is straightforward. If Nifty breaks above 25,250, the momentum could continue and we want to participate in that move. Instead of waiting in front of the charts all day, we'll let Qbar Trade handle the planning for us. Since our entry depends on a breakout above a specific level, we'll continue with a price trigger. Trigger price. We'll enter 25,250 as our trigger price. This means Qbar Trade will continuously monitor the market, but the plan will only become active if Nifty actually trades at or above this level. Until then, nothing happens. If the breakout never occurs, the trade never activates. That's the beauty of planning instead of reacting. Quantity. Next, we'll specify the quantity we intend to trade. For this example, I'll keep it at 455. Depending on your strategy and risk management, this value can always be adjusted before execution. Stop loss. Every trade needs an exit plan before it has an entry plan. For our breakout strategy, we'll place the stop loss at 25,150. The logic is simple. If price breaks above 25,250 but then falls back below 25,150, our breakout thesis is no longer valid. Instead of hoping the market recovers, we exit with a predefined and controlled loss. Professional traders do not try to avoid losses. They focus on managing them. Planned entry price. We'll enter 25,250 as the planned entry price. Target price. We'll set a target of 25,450. Now Qbar Trade has everything it needs to evaluate the opportunity. Entry, stop loss, target. From these values, it automatically calculates the trade's risk and reward profile. Before risking a single rupee, we already know whether the setup is worth taking. Broker account. Select the broker account that should be associated with this plan. Whether you're using a live account, a journal account, or even paper trading, the planner works exactly the same way. Plan valid. Until for this example, we'll set the plan to remain valid for the next 7 days. If the breakout never occurs within that period, the plan simply expires and we move on to the next opportunity. Strategy. Now we'll assign this trade to the momentum breakout strategy. This allows Qbar Trade to later answer questions like, how often does this strategy generate winning trades? What's its average return? Is it performing better than my other setups? Every planned trade becomes valuable data for future improvement. Upload screenshots. You can upload screenshots of your charts or any other references you are using. Plan summary. As we've been filling in the planner, notice the plan summary updating automatically on the right hand side. Without doing any manual calculations, Qbar Trade shows us total risk, risk per share, quantity used, risk to reward ratio. This instant feedback helps us validate the quality of the trade before taking action. Trade notes. Before saving, let's document why we're taking this trade. For example, Nifty breakout above 25,250 following consolidation with increasing momentum and bullish market structure. These notes preserve our thinking at the time of planning and become invaluable when reviewing trades later. Emotional tags. Finally, Qbar Trade lets us record something most trading platforms ignore: our mindset. Maybe we're feeling confident, maybe we're feeling patient, or perhaps we're entering because of fear of missing out. Recording these emotions might seem insignificant today, but after reviewing hundreds of trades, you'll often discover that psychology has a bigger impact on performance than strategy itself. Save the plan. We'll simply click save, and just like that, we've created a complete professional trading.